I'm getting bored.
Yeah, wanna play I Go Seek?
Yeah, let's do it. Wait up! Hey, wait up! Why do I keep hearing the name Bailey?
Mom, how long?
Baby, it's not gonna be that long. I'm just about to go over here and talk to your auntie. She just sitting over there playing music. She wants somebody to talk to. Well, it's gonna be about 30 minutes. Friend, y'all can get in the front. Y'all can listen to music. Go walk. Play some game or something. Just 30 minutes, baby.
30 minutes. Oh my God. You always say that, and it take like 5 hours.
I got you, baby.
Man, what you doing?
Just scrolling on TikTok. What you doing?
Same. Hey, you seen that new video?
This one on YouTube?
Yeah, the one that like got a million views in like the last hour.
Yeah, I seen it.
Yeah, that was real lit. I'm getting bored.
Yeah, wanna play I Go Seek?
Yeah, let's do it. What you gonna do?
I Go Seek. Check your TikTok.
Let's just walk for now.
Or we play tag. Tag you with. Wait.
What?
What is that?
What? Wow, look at it. It's all green
And weird and bubbly.
yeah. Look, it's maybe toxic.
Or some weird blue.
You see that? Wow.
Wow. What is it? I don't know. It's like it's moving. See it? It's like bubbly.
A bunch of them.
I don't know where little baby went, but did you see that video? Not the one you posted, but the one that somebody tried to post like yours. I'm about to show it to you. Out here. Hold on, what them kids at? Hey!
What you think?
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
You're it!
Hold on, wait. Wait, do you hear that? The sound from the water thing. It sounds just like it.
I mean, I guess if you think about it.
I think it's from this one.
Come on, I think this way. Come on, it's this way.
I hear it. Look, wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Hey, wait up.
Oh my God, it's a dog. I always wanted one. I wonder what's her name.
What? Did you just hear that? I think she just spoke. I just heard her name.
Yeah, me too.
What?
That's crazy. I'm keeping her.
What? You know Mama let us get a dog?
So, I mean, she don't have a tag on her or anything, and I've been asking her for like the longest, so.
Well, I guess you gotta bring her that emotional support thing.
I wonder what her name is.
Why do I keep hearing the name Bailey?
Yeah, like I just keep hearing Bailey, Bailey, Bailey. Is that what her name is?
I think so.
Why do you think her eyes are glimmering like that?
Shit.
Me too. Strange. Mom, I found this dog. Can we keep it?
I don't know. Is it dog eyes green? That dog eyes look green to you?
What color is that?
It look normal to me.
Yeah.
What you gonna do with a dog?
What you and I've been asking you for what? It's like a week now.
Dogs can help with emotional support system.
We'll talk about it. Right now we doing grown stuff. We'll talk about it.
All right.
Now that's another banger from your favorite new cousins. And if you want to see more of us guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, sir.